Hello everyone, welcome to yet another interesting video. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most, concern that is, rising in the IT industry of India. That is trap of inflated designations. Now, what is this trap of inflated designations? So now, if you're someone who reads paper regularly, then you might have come across this article which talks about trap of inflated designations. So according to this, what are they trying to tell? So now every organization plans for promotion, on an average like 18 to 24 months of time, right? For some it goes beyond this. That is altogether a different topic and how they get. So maybe promotion is given to on an attrition scenario where to avoid that. Or what happens here is inflation means what here in, I mean, specific to title inflation. He is a manager with no management or no team with him. He is a director but still a single contributor. He is a lead, but no responsibilities as such. He's still working as a SSC. Now, what is happening here? So, as long as you are currently contributing in the same role with an inflated designation, that might not affect you much, right? But as soon as you start, stepping out, as soon as you start searching for different organization, that is where the disconnect happens. So this was as raised as one of the concerns by HR. Now you're going as a senior manager or at a director level, so there will be a clear cut, communication gap or clear cut expectation gap here, right? Why? Because director means we are expecting kind of portfolio management, what kind of revenue thing you have done, savings you have done. Lead means you're talking about team management skills. All of that will come into picture, but if the candidate does not have that skill, but then the designation that you have does not matter, right? It is just an inflation here or an inflated value that will burst out anytime. So there will be a lot of disconnect. So always, so what would be the solution to this, right? So we all want, when we all expect us to get promoted, every, based on the timeline that company has. But always look for, along with the promotion, are you getting the role? That is important. Are you getting the role? Most people lack here, right? So they don't look for role, right? That's why when you're changing the organization or when you're going into an organization, always check what kind of work you will be, bringing on the table, right? So if you are a director, you should have responsibilities according to that. If you are a team lead, you should have your own team to lead, right? If you are a manager, you should have your own responsibilities to do. If you are as a developer, then obviously you will be developing, right? So if you don't have this matching with your title, then trust me, the designation that you have on yourself is of no use. Okay, so focus on that. Okay, and tag to those person who you feel is one of the victim of such things in the industry. So see you in the next video for more such things. Do follow my channel. Thank you and have a good day.